The world is loud. Everywhere you turn, the buzz of notifications, opinions shouted from every corner, 1,000 tiny voices pulling at your mind. But listen, beneath it all, there is a deeper sound. It is the steady rhythm of your own heart. It is the quiet voice of strength, waiting to be heard. Silence is not empty. Silence is where you meet yourself. It is where courage gathers, where truth rises like a tide. So today, turn down the noise. Set the phone aside. Let the world's demands fall silent and step into the gentle hush. In the stillness, you will find clarity like a lantern in the dark. You will hear the whisper that says, "You are enough. You are capable. You can begin again." This quiet is not weakness. It is power. It is the soil where strength takes root.